welcome back to the Mex Mundo kitchen. Today's video is not a cooking video, but I am still going to make you guys work. It's a cleaning tip, and it's a tip on how to make a cleaning substance for your windows. I think windows are one of those chores we often ignore, that we don't do so often that it's not a daily or weekly or maybe even monthly chore. It's usually 2 times a year, 3 times a year. And the thing is, the day that you decide to clean your windows, it often rains 2-3 days later, and then your window is a complete mess again. It's like really awful. So the chemical or the ingredient I want to teach you guys to make, the substance, I don't know what to call it, but what we're going to make, it helps keep your windows cleaner longer. So like this, you'll only clean 2 times a year, 3 tops, and it's really wonderful. It smells really nice. It's very easy to make. So let's get started. The ingredients you need to make your window cleaner are 3 tablespoons of fabric softener, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and half a teaspoon of water. Okay, so let me quickly give you guys an introduction so you can understand what we're using and why we're using and what you need. Fabric softener, it's just the stuff you use for your clothes when you're doing your laundry that you put in with your soap, your laundry soap. You can use whichever kind you want, sensitive, normal, that's up to you guys, whatever you have at home. That's what you use as the fabric softener. Glycerin, I bought mine in the local pharmacy here in Switzerland. I'm pretty sure you can get it in any pharmacy, maybe even a supermarket, I don't know. And if it's in a country that's not English speaking, just use Google Translate, put glycerin into the local language, and like that you'll figure out the name you need. It's very easy to find. It's not a complicated thing. You're also going to need a little container, whether it's a pump, a spray, even a little Tupperware, so that we can mix the ingredients in there, because what we're going to do is super simple. For example, I'm using the pump. We add the fabric softener in here, the glycerin, and the water. You just give it a really good shake so it mixes, and that's it. That's how simple it is to make the solution. Okay, so now I taught you guys how to make the solution for your window cleaning. What you're going to do is, first you have to clean your windows. However you go at it, if you clean with vinegar, if you have a special gadget, any way you use to clean your windows, do that. I have this handy thing which I love to bits. And clean your windows, dry them well. And once you're done, you're going to pump or spray just a little bit onto a sponge. You don't put a lot, just very little. And you're going to spread it all over the outside of your window, the part going towards the street. This doesn't go on the inside, this goes on the outside, which is the stuff. The window always gets super dirty on the outside, where it rains, where all the dust from the cars, the smog, everything, that's what dirties your window. So you're going to put it evenly and really fast. You don't want it to dry up, so that it spreads easier. And once you're done doing that, you can just quickly, either with a cloth or a paper towel, just not wipe it off because you want it to stay, but just wherever you see streaks, you can kind of pass the cloth around so that your window looks nice and clean. Once you're done doing that, you can't even tell you put anything on it. But what does this stuff do? Okay, what's the purpose? Fabric softener, sorry. It's anti-static, so what it means is the dust will not cling to your window. It helps keep the dust away. When we put fabric softener or these dryer towels, what it does is it keeps the static off our stuff, and like that you don't get these shocks or dust or stuff. So these chemicals together help get the dust off your window. Like that, you only have to clean it 2-3 times a year tops, and they look really nice, trust me. So let's get started to get beautiful windows. Okay, so we are done cleaning. Basically, this tip is just, to lighten the burden of chores. Chores can be such a nuisance. To be honest, I actually enjoy washing the windows with the little gadget I have. It makes the chores so much easier. So when you guys have the opportunity to buy things that makes the load easier, it's a good investment. And this stuff is super easy to make. It's very cheap, and it's super helpful. The dust really won't cling for a long time, so it keeps your windows clean for quite a long time, to be honest. You got to meet another member in the family, our little cat. It's actually, we don't know whose cat it is. It's always visiting us every single day. It eats here. It's here all day. It comes in our house. So it's kind of ours. We've adopted it. It has a lot of homes in the neighborhood, but it's a lovely cat. We love it very much. And going back on topic, I hope it's really useful, that it makes your chores easier, that you enjoy it, and see you guys in the next video.